Welcome to another video. While we're still trying to keep up with the latest AI news, some people have already used AI to boost their work. Today, I want to show you how startups and small businesses can build apps that are fully customized to the way they actually work. For example, imagine you own a second-hand mobile phone shop and want to create a simple app where customers can easily browse and buy phones directly from you. For this, I'll be using OnSpace. OnSpace is an AI-powered no-code platform that lets you build native mobile apps just by describing what you want. No coding, no React Native setup, no dealing with Xcode or Android Studio. You just tell it what you need, and it builds it for you. Let me show you how it works. To start, head over to the OnSpace site and sign up for an account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with a chat interface. This is where you describe your app idea in plain English. For this phone shop app, I want two main screens to solve the two main things we have just mentioned. A product browsing screen, where customers can see all the phones available for sale. This makes users able to check what's new in their spare time. Nobody has time or interest to come to the store all the time, and a phone valuation screen where people can upload details about their phone to get an estimated trade-in price. People always has interest to do this kind of things, and the price will always be in their minds. And our shop owner got the information of what kind of products are owned by the neighbors. How smart is that? Let me build this. I'll type, create a second-hand phone shop app called Phone Deals with two screens. First, a product browsing screen that displays phones in a two-column grid, showing the phone model, price, and image. Add a new badge for recently added items. Second, a phone valuation screen where users can upload a photo of their phone, enter the model and condition, and submit it for a price estimate. I click Generate, and OnSpace starts building the app. After about a minute, the app is ready. On the right side, you can see the preview. The product browsing screen looks clean. It has a two-column grid with phones displayed in cards. Each card shows the phone image, model name, and price. Some items have the new badge on them, which shows recently added inventory. Tapping on any phone shows more details. Now, for this to work with real data, I need a backend. I'll enable Spaces. This is OnSpace's built-in serverless backend. Normally, you'd have to set up Supabase or Firebase, configure tables, handle authentication. OnSpace does all of that natively. I type, connect the product browsing screen to a Spaces database. Create a phones table with columns for model name, price, image URL, condition, and a Boolean for whether it's a new arrival. Display all phones from this database on the browsing screen. It processes and creates the database automatically. Now I'll add some test data through the Spaces dashboard. I'll add an iPhone 14 Pro for $650, a Samsung Galaxy S23 for $480, and a Google Pixel 8 for $520. I'll mark the Pixel as a new arrival. Going back to the app preview, I refresh, and there we go. All the phones are pulling from the cloud. The Pixel has the new badge. When I tap on the iPhone, I see the full details, including the condition and storage capacity. Now, let's build the phone valuation screen. I type, create the phone valuation screen with an image upload button so users can take a photo of their phone. Add drop-down menus for selecting the brand and model. Add a slider for rating the phone's condition from 1 to 10. Add fields for the user's name and phone number. Include a submit button that saves the request to a valuations table in the database. OnSpace updates the app. Now on the phone valuation screen, There's a clean form. Users can upload a photo of their phone, select the brand and model from drop-downs, rate the condition, and enter their contact info. When they hit submit, the request gets saved to the cloud. On the back end, I can see all the valuation requests coming in through the Spaces dashboard. I can review each submission, see the uploaded photo, check the condition rating, and then contact the customer with an offer. This makes the whole trade-in process much smoother. Let me polish the design a bit. I type. Update the design to use a dark blue header with white text. Add rounded corners to the product cards. Make the new badge bright green. Add subtle shadows to make the cards pop. It regenerates the styling. The app now looks like something you'd actually download from the Play Store. Once you're happy with your app, you can deploy it. Click the Publish button, and OnSpace lets you download the APK immediately. You can share this directly with customers. Just have them scan a QR code and install it on their phone. If you want to go further, you can generate the AAB file for the Google Play Store or prepare a build for the App Store. But for a local business, just distributing the APK works perfectly fine. As for our smart shop owner, he doesn't need to let anybody not living in the neighborhood to download his app. So what he did was to download the APK file and transferred it to a scan to install QR code and put it on the window and the counter. Give everybody stopped by some small gift like candy and coupon to let them install and register his app. So that's OnSpace. In about 10 minutes, I built a fully functional phone shop app with product browsing, cloud database, filtering, and a trade-in valuation form. No code at all. If you run a small business, whether it's a phone shop, a clothing store, or anything else with inventory, you could use something like this to let customers browse your products anytime. They can check what's available while they're on the bus or during lunch, and when something catches their eye, they come to your shop. It's a simple way to boost sales without building a complicated e-commerce site. I highly recommend giving this a try. It's free to start, and the link is in the description. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super Thanks option or join the channel as well and get some perks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.